Everything in life is about stories, but the most important story, the one that transforms you, it's the story you choose to live and share.
Hi, it's Rob Moore here, and I am with the lovely, beautiful, prolific, intelligent, amazing Hina Solanki. So Hina has a podcast called Feel Fabulous. I think it's a brilliant title and concept for a podcast. Let's be honest, we could all do with feeling a bit more fabulous.
So who you spend time with, so they owe it yourself to talk to people like too. Number two, listen, I'm so proud of your success. I'm so impressed by your success, and I can't wait to meet you again for the second time in person.
So never ever be embarrassed about what you've gone through. And in fact, you should be so proud of yourself if you're still here and living to tell the tale. Because to make it through, firstly, that's a massive achievement. Then I would say just try and seek help. And it doesn't mean you're weak. It means you want to go forwards from where you are right now.
As we stand on the edge of a new era, it's time to redefine what it means to be human in business. The leaders who succeed today are the ones who engage their audience on a deeply human level, communicating not just what they do, but why they do it.
You know, in my line of profession as CEO and the founder of Successfully You, I work with people like Les Brown. I've worked with people like Deepak Chopra, Robin Sharma, Sharon Lecter, Richard Harrington. The list just goes on of high-profile clients that I need to work with on a daily basis to make sure that their businesses can run optimally, that they can have reach their KPIs and create the success that they deserve. So for anybody who is thinking about working with Hina, I can 100% say to you with full honesty that you will not regret your decision of working with the amazing Hina. She is absolutely life-changing, and if you have the opportunity, take the opportunity, because some opportunities don't come around so often like this.
Your mind is a powerful magnet. Use it wisely. Let's embrace our professional and personal lives, and together we can orchestrate the best possible future for ourselves, our organizations, and our communities.